The bikes are absolutely how we live. Ride them in the front door, wheel them back out when we want to ride them. They are absolutely not for show. They're not even that clean.
Well, I have to say, first impressions, I think this is absolutely exquisite. I've never seen random stonework done quite like that. See the little slivers of stone inserted in between the big pieces?
It's a bit like kind of dry stone wall kind of technique, isn't it?
But it's just the distinction of the tiny little, see all the tiny little pieces that have been slotted in between? So it almost feels it's beginning to feel like coursing rather than random.
It's definitely got edge.
Ah, it's beautiful.
From back there, I was hoping for something like a cottage feel, but as we got closer, I don't know, I don't think that's what we're gonna get.
Shall we check it out?
Yeah. I mean, you certainly don't expect to see something quite as urban as this inside a stone, traditionally detailed building on the outside. Absolutely incredible mural.
There's a chair for you there, Kate. I can see it.
My goodness. Is it because I matched the cushions in this vibrant outfit? I'll give it a go, shall I?
Shall I hold it?
Give it a push it.
Ooh! I'll just check it's... Oh, it's well secured at the top.
You're fine. At least for a
Thank you,
couple of
guys.
seconds, you'll be all right.
I actually really think I like the black because there's so much natural light all around us, and then this is such a massive space, so it's actually working to sort of bring it in, make it a bit more snug, especially with the shelving over there.
And the truss detail's absolutely beautiful. I think it's Douglas fir, but then it's got this tension steel cables as well. Really beautifully built interior.
I think the word that's hitting me all the time with this home is, I think it's exquisite. Be a great place for a party, I think.
Feels like a nightclub or a bar or a private dining room, doesn't it?
Oh, I was thinking this was a bar, but
It's actually the kitchen.
it's the kitchen, just tucked away. I'm still kind of processing it, but it does make sense. It's just so tucked away, you would never even think that this would be a kitchen. Unless, of course, maybe you spy the toaster.
That's some stair, isn't it? That's cantilever. Do you think we could make a tune out of these?
Again, very dark.
It's funny, even though it's the same palette, of the black, but the texture has changed on the floor and on the wall. And it's just enough to make this feel like a slightly different space. Quite clever.
The roof lights bring a different quality of light in up here. So it's actually, even though the colour palette is the same, there's a very different atmosphere. I wonder what the colour palette will be in the bathroom. Oh, it's also very glamorous.
Ooh, look at the size of that sink.
That kind of wet room walk-in shower as well.
Oh, hello. Welcome to my wet room.
Amazing.
They obviously like to have a laugh, don't they? It's made me really, really happy that these homeowners have 100% pleased themselves. There's no holding back. There's no like, oh, you know, maybe, you know, what if we sell? Maybe we should put in a beige kitchen. They've just gone all out, and it's amazing.
There's always a debate in architecture, should the inside reflect the outside? And you could argue either way. What's brilliant about this home is it's been so bold in both aspects. It's been prepared on the outside to say, I'm a barn to the world and I still relate to that Scottish landscape in a new interpretation. Come inside though, this is mine. This is my home and I will make this home the way I want it. In this home, I think what they've done is they've turned hell into heaven.